Okay guys, this is Brian Patton. I'm going to show you how to easily remove the wheels from a 124 and 164 Monster Jam Hot Wheels truck. I bought this brake spreader, piston spreader, from eBay for $12.98. I then cut these slots in with a Dremel tool so the axles can slide in between, so it's squared up and spreading the wheels out, else they'll start to bend the axle. So you just line that up, slide your wheels down, and then you just slowly start rotating, and it comes off without any hassle, without banging it, without parts flying everywhere, and that's it. Comes right off. Okay, this is a 164. So again, you just measure it out, slide your wheels in between that, and then you slowly turn, and there you go. Wheel is off. Pretty simple. No hard turning, no twisting, and your axle stays straight. Hope this helps. You guys have a good day.